Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? First thing I do in the morning, make a high pony and wear a very thick jacket. This is a Uniqlo jacket, which is literally my favorite. So, good morning, guys. Today is the 26th of January. I'm gonna open some of this window of mine. Yes, this is good light. There's only one window in my room. As you can see, the rest of it is quite closed. That's the only downside of my super cozy room, guys. If you've seen my room tour, see it if you haven't, because my best friend designed this room and I absolutely love it. But the only downside of my room is that there are hardly any windows and there's no natural light coming in, which is something I'm obsessed with. That's why I shoot in other rooms. I don't really shoot in my room, and I don't really like to use artificial lights. I have so many ring lights, guys. I invested in them, I ordered them, but I never used them. I was editing till late last night my Holy Grail products video, which I highly recommend, and I really like that video, to be honest. While I was editing it, I just thought a lot of shopping, fashion, beauty videos done. Let me do some real videos about showing you what I do, how my day goes, just for you guys to know me a little more. And so I woke up with the thought that today I'm shooting a day in my life. It's very random, and I think that's how it should be. No planning, nothing. So today I'm going to take you through my day. Today is a holiday. When I say a holiday, while I work from home, but when I say holiday, it just means that my daughter doesn't have class. So my usual routine is I wake up about 9:30 and 10:30 is when my daughter's class starts, and it's there till 12. So I make her do her class. Just since she's 3+, I sit with her during her class and she does her online Zoom class. But on days like these, which are holidays when my daughter doesn't have class, I wake up a little late. I give myself that much needed relaxation. So today I've woken up at about 10:30 a.m. If you follow me on my Instagram, you guys know that I do a lot of self-care. So today is again that day where my hair needs a lot of care, my face needs a lot of care, and most of this is natural skincare and hair care, which I love doing. Also, guys, I'm on a diet. I started this diet about 10 days back. I joined this dietitian called Sonia Narang when I had delivered my baby 3 years ago. I had joined her only. I was like almost 90 kgs, which is crazy, and I had lost significant amount of weight with her. I joined the same dietitian again, and I'm liking her diets. I've started it. Let me take you through my day now. Let me get out of my room now and get into the normal routine of the house and take you through my usual day, what I do. And I'm actually going to show you one or two of my favorite salad recipes as well, because I think you guys really enjoy that. Plants are also getting some vitamin D here. And I'm going to start off with this water that I drink every morning. So starting off my day with kesar and kishmish water, guys. Yes, this is the water I've been recommended by my dietitian to have. So I love the flavor of kesar, and I'm gonna have it with 5 almonds. And I'm thinking what to do with my hair, because my hair have 2-3 issues right now. So guys, my oiling is done. This is my best time because I love to just wake up and get my hair oiled. The oil that I'm using is something that I saw on Malaika Arora's stories. She had mixed 3 kinds of oil: coconut oil, olive oil and castor oil, which I'd put and soaked some methi seeds and curry patta in it, and I'd put it in a glass bottle for a few days and kept it, and now I use it. Look at this one. She's working on her toy laptop. We've been looking at the Republic Day parade. We just stood up for the national anthem. My entire 12 years of my life, I have studied from the Air Force school, and when you study from a defense school, guys, your patriotism is another level. I always have tears in my eyes every time I hear a patriotic song, a national anthem. Anything patriotic touches a chord in my heart that is very, very dear to me. I was in my school choir all my life, KG to 12th, and I have sung at every Air Force Day, Republic Day, Independence Day in the school choir, solo, group, everything. And when you're part of a school choir, it means you know each and every song by heart, and that's why right now I think the band was playing Kadam Kadam Badhaaye Ja, and I was so emotional because I know the lyrics of literally every patriotic Indian song, and I really take pride in that. Anyway guys, my oiling is done. I'm gonna leave this for like at least an hour. Now on to skincare. I want to try the Pahadi local Gutti Ka Khal. I think I'll just show you guys the products, and I really want to try it out because I've never used it, and it'll be a good review, sort of a first impression sort of a video as well. So let me take that out. Okay guys, the little one has gone to the terrace. Perfect time for me to shoot some stuff in her room. That's how I sneak time guys to shoot. I need to tell you, I'm actually considering if I should create a studio or something on my terrace, because with a toddler it's so difficult to shoot in the house. While the hair care is done, it's already been half an hour. Do some face care, and I have these two products had been lying in my drawer since forever. I didn't have the time, but now today is a perfect day to try Pahadi local. I've been loving their Gutti Ka Tel. You'll see in my videos, I've been literally become part of my routine, and I really liked it. Himalayan clay. This is the clay mask basically, and this is the Gutti Khal apricot meal scrub. So this is a scrub and this is the clay, and the trick that I had seen online is that you mix the two, take equal proportions of it, and add whatever you want to add. You can add water, you can add rose water, you can add milk. So what I've done is I've actually got some milk also here, as you can see, and some rose water also. So I'm actually going to put both and see the results. I love putting milk on my face guys. If you just put raw milk on your face, you'll really like it. This is how the product looks like. There are these grains. So I'm going to take this much at least. This is where I'm putting everything. This is the Himalayan mask. This is the clay mask. I haven't used a clay mask in quite a while now, so this will be a good change. It's like mud. It's like multani mitti. So I'm going to take an equal proportion of this as well and just mix it in it. So I've taken both of these in equal quantities, and I'm just going to mix it. This is how it looks like. So this is how it looks. This is the Kama Ayurveda rose water, which is quite untouched in my life. I don't really use it too much. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this, and I've put the rose water, and now I'm going to add this milk in it. So let's give it a good stir, and more rose water. So I'm actually, this is my own choice. You can actually mix this with water as well. So this is how it is. Mix, mix, mix. So you see a nice paste is being created. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, so guys, my face mask is ready for the day. I'm gonna let this be for 15-20 minutes and then show you guys the result. Pretty much done with hair care and skin care. This is my usual day when I have a holiday. Tried out quite a bit, but there are certain areas that are still wet, so I'm gonna keep it for another 10 minutes. Now I'm on to making my lunch. With the things that I do on a holiday is empty my phone. I have like 10,000 photos and like 500 videos on my phone, so I just sat here and put on my hard drive and just transferred everything. So this is what I did while I was waiting for this to dry. I'm going to show you how I cook my meal. So guys, what I usually do is I chop all these vegetables out. There's broccoli, there's zucchini, there's capsicum, carrot, beans, pretty much my normal veggies and my favorite mushrooms. I live on broccoli and mushroom. I'm just gonna start sorting. I always start with mushrooms because they leave water and I don't want my veggies to be soggy. I like them a little crisp. And it's fairly simple. The salad is nothing. It's like a no-brainer. I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt and black pepper, and that's it right now. The sorting is only with salt and black pepper. The actual art is when I assemble the salad. So my yummy veggies are getting sauteed, guys. The trick to good sauteed vegetables is to not cover it with a lid, otherwise it becomes really soggy. That's why I don't blanch it. I use raw vegetables. I'm gonna go and take a shower and get everything, all of this jing bang off me so that I look a little presentable in this video. Okay, so guys, I have just washed my hair and my face. This is the best part of the day when you take a shower and come and do some sunbathing. Just check this out. You know, every time I've used any kind of clay mask or exfoliator, my skin tends to dry out this area for a bit and then I have to put an oil or something. But today, guys, my skin really feels nice. It seems like a lot of dirt has washed out of my face, which is exactly what you want from an exfoliator. My hair, obviously, I've washed my hair with the Moroccan oil shampoo and conditioner. I've finally come to my terrace. And gosh, finally the sun god is here. Otherwise, last 2-3 days have been so glowing. So this is my skin post mask and this is my hair. The little one is jumping around on the terrace and I'm just gonna air dry these before I actually do my air wrap. First impressions on this mask is a big thumbs up. I really like it. I think I can do this once in 2 weeks or something. I'm gonna go and make my salad, assemble my salad till my hair dry. I'm just gonna put a face oil today, nothing else on my face, and a sunscreen because I'm soaking in too much of the sun. Say, come here. I'll show you. You can say hi.
Mama.
Hi. Say hi.
Water is down.
Water down.
See that swimming?
Who? Where?
That.
Oh, that's a swimming pool. Somebody has a pool on their terrace and the little one is amazed. Do you want to do swimming?
Yeah.
But it's winter time.
I want to do swimming.
Okay, we'll do it. So she's been playing on the terrace for a while and she usually eats her meal, especially her lunch here. The terrace is a mess right now because we're actually getting it painted. We just got it painted white and we just got the planters painted white as well. Once it's all set, I will give you a tour because it's just basic. We haven't done anything major but just repair work and paint. There are like I think about 80 plants on my terrace. My mother-in-law has done a really good job. So once I set all of that, I will show you guys. Right now everything, can you see the spinach here, guys? It's beautiful, guys. There are some really beautiful plants on my terrace if I show you guys. How we've just done basic repair work is that my mother-in-law has had these stands for like so many years now and they were like rusted literally. We got all of this painted white. Actually recycled a lot of stuff in terms of buckets and wash basins like these, which were converted into planters. But since we want to reduce up any kind of plastic that is used, stuff like this, we'll get better planters to replace. Hey, what are you doing? So stuff like this will be replaced. This spinach looks so good. I get most of my spinach for my salads from my terrace only. So we have a lot of other vegetables also on our terrace. Check out my skin, guys. So big thumbs up to Pahadi Local, and I think it's been a very productive holiday for me today because I've been shooting a day in my life. I've been doing self-care and I've been cooking my meals as well.
So I'm gonna go head out and make my salad now, guys. And this is it. That's it. Signing off for this afternoon at least. So guys, very simple, and it's not a typical tomato cucumber salad. I really don't want like dressings in my salad. So as you can see, it's very simple. Salt, pepper, lemon, olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Pretty much the dressings I use. But the flavors of cherry tomatoes, walnuts, everything mixed up. If I had pomegranate, it would have changed the flavor also. But this also is damn good. This is my lunch today. I try and stay off carbs and I stay more on salad, but my salads are wholesome and filling so that it keeps me full for a long time. Paneer in it also for protein, so there's a lot of goodness in it. Guys, it's time to air wrap my hair. Look at my natural hair. This is what it is, and I'm just gonna air wrap it there semi-damp, semi-dry. 2 years of using this product and I'm obsessed. Wakey, it's wakey time. Good morning, Fred. Morning, Fred. Morning, Fred. Morning, Fred. So between my air wrap activity, the little one decided to wake up from her nap. Usually my afternoon with her. Now it's 4 p.m. and I'm going to read to her. It's our reading time. So she loves me to read to her, so I'm going to read to her now. We'll take out our favorite books and get to reading or coloring. Read? Okay, we'll do reading. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. I'm not keeping it. We'll take Rapunzel also, and we have Gabby's garden. We have Rapunzel. Gabby is a good girl. She loves to play in the garden. Okay. What is this? Want to eat spaghetti? So we're making spaghetti for Seher, guys. She loves to have a little like aglio olio types, cheesy, non-spicy, of course, spaghetti. She actually wants to cook this, so she'll be putting it. You want to put it in the water? Wait for 2 minutes, then we'll put it.
No.
Not now. The water is not boiled yet. Yeah? So I'll just actually start prepping for spaghetti. 1 cheese slice. It's evening time, almost the end of the day because it's about 6:30. I'm about to have lemon coriander soup, which my cook makes really well. It's very light and it doesn't have any corn flour or anything in it. So just a simple soup with lots of lemon and coriander and lots of veggies, finely chopped veggies. My day is now almost getting to an end. I've been again doing some editing of my video and just playing with my little one. Since every week my diet changes, this 6 o'clock meal is a new thing for me. Let me show you guys how this soup is made. The oil really works. I feel my hair are very smooth and fluffy. And the face mask, of course, I have to take a video live today, which is my top 12 holy grail products: skincare, hair care, body care and makeup. So 12 of the products that I can't do without. So pretty much my entire day besides my daughter goes into shooting or editing, guys. That's my life. If I'm not going out to meet any of my friends or family, then pretty much my entire day goes into this. I've actually received a new hamper from this brand called the Mom's Co. So I have to start using those products. So I was just planning my content, guys. My to-do list is so long. It's like I'm always short on time because I have so much to do. So this is the package that came in. It's come from the Mom's Co. and it's basically their daily skincare essentials. So it's cleanser, toner and moisturizer in it. Check this out. I am planning to start trying them out from tomorrow, and I'm sorting out some tech stuff, guys. I'm really bad with tech, so I have to transfer all of the data, take backup, all of that. God, I know I've seen a lot of YouTubers and content creators crib about this tech stuff, especially their memory cards and their backups and all of that. The struggle is real and it's so difficult to keep track of footage and folders. There's so many folders. I have thousands of videos and photos everywhere. It's overwhelming. But that's what I love. I love capturing moments and I love capturing my life. Let me take you and show you the final look of my soup because I've got to have my soup. So that's my dinner, guys. My lemon coriander soup is ready. We've added lemon and coriander from on top. Super simple, super light. You can see it's quite watery. No. My hair are wet. You're looking nice. Why are you opening your hair? Guys, she opened her hair because I opened my hair. Why did you open your hair? Yeah?
Your hair is wet.
No.
Yeah.
So guys, just chill time with my daughter. We're as usual reading some of the other books. She's actually reading to me. I'm not reading to her, and she's making random stories. Say hi.
Hi.
What are you reading? Gabby's Garden.
I finished it.
It's 8 o'clock. It's her dinner time now. She'll be having dinner. I just wanted to talk to you guys about the books that my daughter reads. One of the most highly recommended books are these Read It Yourself with Ladybird series. These are literally her favorite, and I literally have every level of it for her. This is level 2, level 1, level 2. We have books till level 4. Till now we've got it for her, and every story is so interesting to read, short and sweet and really fun. I think I might have ordered at least 20 of these because this is the only book she really loves, this book series which she really loves to read. So all you mommies out there, if you're looking to start reading to your kids, most of these are available on Amazon, so you can just order these are fairly inexpensive. I think $100 for each, 99 rupees. So they come in sets of 6 also, but they come individual also. So if you order from Amazon, they'll be expensive because then they charge a delivery fee. But if you order them from like in a set, about 600 or 650 or something for 6, great deal, and very interesting books, her favorite. Another place that I get her books from besides Amazon is this store in Khan Market called Fakir Chand. It's fairly very famous. They usually have a great collection for kids. Just a lot of mommies follow me, and I thought I'll give you some recommendations while I'm showing you a day in my life. It's 8:30 and I think I'm gonna have a little bit of cereal if I feel hungry. Guys, my skin looks quite nice. What do you guys think? The Pahadi Local thing really cleaned my skin out. I hope you liked the recipes today. They were really nice and healthy. I'm gonna conclude this video. I hope you liked today's video, a small glimpse into my life and a typical day when I'm home. I just thought it was a nice change from my usual hauls and my beauty videos to give you a little bit of a personal video, an insight into my life, my routine and what I do. So I really hope you like it. So yes, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.